Hello there everyone, welcome to G-Shop channel. Guys, I'm going to make a DIY back scrubber using this scrap fabric. This is a rough fabric. I choose rough fabrics for back scrubber. Okay, so come on guys, and I will show you step by step on how I make a back scrubber DIY. And guys, these are my materials: amido, thread, and I'm going to use this string for handle of the scrubber, and also a scissor. So guys, let's begin.